Good morning, friends. Let us see what we are going to discuss in this session. But before starting this session, I believe that all of you are taking the notes of these sessions, as well as whatever the practice assignment, practice examples are being given in the session, you are solving at your end. So, in my first session, as I told you, the practice is the only medicine to excel in this subject. So, I hope that you are doing the practices of all the example that we have discussed in the previous session. Let us move further. In continuation with the last lecture, we have started with the Boolean algebra and variable function simplification using tabular method, and we have started with one example. So, in this session, a previous session, we have discussed about what is the tabular method, the steps involved in the method, different notations available to represent the implicand, the term in the table. We have started with solving the Boolean expression, example number 1, step 1, finding prime implicand. So, first we will do some quick review of the previous lecture, what we have discussed and how we have figured out the prime implicand. We will continue the example 1 which we have started in the last session. In a step number 2, out of available prime implicand which we have figured out from this table, not all prime implicands are essential. Some of them may be a non-essential, which needs to be skipped out, or some of the prime implicand may be a redundant, that also needs to be removed. So, the last step, the second step in this tabular method is to find out the essential prime implicands from available list of prime implicand. So, we will complete the example number 1. Then after we will start with the example number 2. So, we will get more hands on. We will do the practice of these examples, and then if you having any doubts, we will discuss in the question answer session about finding the prime implicand and finding the essential prime implicand. I mean to say a step number 1 and step number 2 completely how to solve the Boolean function using tabular method. If these contents are not covered, we will also having more session. If you having any doubt and if you would like to having more practice session. Thank you.